Magnetic, my pretty. Magnetic, my pretty. Yo, here we go. We've got the brand new Sony WH-1000XM5s. I've got the 3s, I've got the 4s, and I've gone for the 5s in the same colour. As ever, links will be down in the description box below. Let's go. On the top, for your Android and Apple device with smart assistance built in. 30 hours of battery life. And the noise cancelling is absolutely amazing if you haven't tried these type of headphones before. XM2s, 3s and 4s are absolutely brilliant. So the noise cancellation is, open it up from the bottom here. 1000X series. I like the matte texture to this box here, but quick start guide, which is self-explanatory. Scan the QR code if you need to, power it on and set up via Bluetooth. Plenty of reading material here if you get bored. I do like the carry case. It's definitely a little bit bigger than the XM4 carry case, but pretty rugged if you need to put this away in your bag. Nice little hook there, and you've got the Sony branded zipper. We open this across, and hopefully the camera's picking up on this, but you got this soft foam material along the inside on both sides, so you're not scratching your headphones. Magnetic cover. OCD says I need to do this at least 100 times. The 3.5mm audio jack cable here, gotta say, does feel cheap. You can see the Sony branding on the one plug, the other side is completely plain. The USB cable, gotta say, does feel sturdy and thick. You can see on the USB-A side it says Vietnam, and on the USB-C side, Sony branding here. No 3-pin power plug. Now for the headphones themselves. They do feel really nice. I like the matte finish. I don't like glossy end headphones. Now for the comfort test to see how these things feel. And coming from the XM4, straight away I can notice that these things are definitely lighter. So those 4 grams they've shaved off do make a difference. 250 grams these way compared to the XM4s, which are around 254 grams. So these definitely do feel lighter, and woo, look at the flex in that. The material definitely nice matte finish here. Feels nice in the hand. Look at that memory springing back there. Absolutely awesome. We've got Sony branding, not on the cups this time, but on the end of the headband in a yellowy goldish colour. Oh, I nearly forgot. The 8 microphones on these things are for active noise cancellation only. So if you haven't tried any headphones with ANC, get yourself to a store, try out any of the Sony XM range. The noise cancellation is absolutely amazing. I can't wait to try these out. These are meant to be better with those 8 microphones at higher pitch sound, so we'll see how that goes. For clearer calls, you're using 4 microphones only on these XM5s. They've got 30mm carbon drivers, which are a little bit smaller than the XM4s, but we'll see how good they sound. You've got the sides labelled up here, so you can see the left hand side marking there and the right hand side marking, which is more of an orange colour than the red that was used previously. You've got all the controls along the left hand side cup here, so you've got the noise cancelling, ambient mode, power button, Bluetooth and LED there, 3.5mm audio jack. On the right hand side here you've got the USB-C charging port. Definitely feel good in the hand, and there's no clicking when you expand the headband. It's a very smooth movement. The XM4s you could just simply fold up when you wanted and put them in the carry case and away you go if you were traveling, but the XM5s you can't do that. They're very flexible indeed, but they're not designed to be folded up, and even when you got them around your neck they are like this. The cups are facing outwards. You can't fold them to be completely flat against your chest, which is a bit weird because once the ear cups get a little bit manky and you're wearing them around your neck, everyone else can see your manky ear cups. I keep on touching the headphones every time I hit record. I don't know why, it's a bit weird. But anyways, this is my first unboxing and first impressions of the brand new Sony XM4s. As ever, links will be down in the description box below. I will post a follow-up video on how these things perform, whether or not you should buy these over the XM4s, how they compare against the XM4s. Thanks for watching, have a wicked day, and I'll see you next time. Beard's coming on nicely, isn't it? It's all focused down here though. It doesn't seem to be growing across the sides. Messed up the shaving there in that corner. It's like a baby's bottom.